How to add Instagram highlights from gallery. So to start the process, after you open up your Instagram, now tap on this plus button at the bottom. So from this option, now tap on this story section and tap on this gallery icon at the bottom left side. From this option, you'll be able now to see all your gallery videos and pictures. So now go ahead and select the picture or the video that you want to add to your story. So for me, I'll tap on this recent button and tap on this photos. I'll select this photo. After you select the photo or video, tap on this arrow. So tap on this share button. So now tap on this. It says it will share the story to my Facebook. I will now tap on this not now button. So now tap on this no thanks and tap on this done button. Now I add the story to my, now I add this story from my gallery. So if you want to see the highlights, just tap on the story at the top of your profile. Here is the story. So tap on this highlight button. So after you tap on the highlights, here now you will now to type in the name New York. After you type in the name, tap on this add button. So now I added this to my story. So tap on this view on profile button. So now here is the highlight. So now as you can see, now here is the highlight from my gallery, and that's it, guys.